How to log into BB&T Online Banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser, then go ahead and type in BB&T Online Banking Login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. BB&T Online Banking has changed its name to Twist, so you have to go ahead and click on this one website option, twist.com, open it. You will be directed to the login page. Once you're in the login page, you have to provide the credentials in order to log into your account. So go ahead and type in the user ID, then type in the password. If you want to save your user ID, check in for the option, save user ID. Also, you can use QR code to log in. For that, you will need to click on the option of sign in with a QR code. If you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. After you fill up these, you can click on the option of sign in, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option and go through it. So this is how you can easily log into BB&T Online Banking account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.